I don't even know how to do an unboxing. I watch all them fucking videos about unboxing and I don't, like, I'm like, what's up, fuckers, I guess. We got something in the mail. Here, Garth. Fucking fancy. It was a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be, honestly.
Do a little sass.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Selena's like, little box for me. Assuming this is probably the instructions and what's not. What the? Oh, it's got 2 USB-Cs on it? Dang. That's pretty cool. And look at the cable. That's it. Now the fun part. Oh. Already fingerprints. That's like the one thing everybody's all freaking out about. They're like, if you're worried about fingerprints and stuff, it's gonna be everywhere. And it's like, well, I'm a dirty man. Oh, you know what? I got it backwards. No, no, no. Dang, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. It's cold as fuck, too. I probably won't even add sound to the videos. It'll probably just be like the little shorts or whatever, you know?
Garfield's like different.
Garfield, you okay, bud? Yeah, this thing's badass, dude. Golly. The freaking magnet was like